In 2026, generic job boards are dead. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create this niche board here. And this is what we have. We have different job posting here. And then with these ones here, they are sponsored job boards. Then these are unsponsored ones. Then we can also click on post a job here. See, we add the job title, the name of the company, and the details of the job. Then we post our job here. This is what I'm going to be teaching you how to do today. I will be using Lovable to achieve this. So stay with me as we build this. Now these are prompts. I'm going to paste it here now. Then I'll just go through it. Build a niche job board with a clean tabbed interface separating candidate view and employer view. We're using tab to separate the views. Then these are details, the candidate view. This is details of the candidate view. These details of the employer view. Then we are also creating a filter and sort logic. So this part takes care of it. And then these are design. Use minimalist as aesthetics, sub to borders, tag views for categories. All these, I'll be pasting the prompts in the description below, so you can just copy it and then follow along. So let's send this to Lovable now. Now our first prototype is ready. These are the sample job details here. So if I click on post a job now, this here I can post jobs. Sorry about that. Easy I can post jobs, and easy I can also find jobs. I can decide to filter by full-time or contract. I click on contract, now you see this is the only one we have for contract. And if I click on full-time, you have 8 jobs found. This is the full-time jobs. Then we can decide to click on all category if we want Web3 in particular, or health or dev tools. Let's just click on Web3 now. See for Web3, say no jobs found. Click on fintech. There's one here, fintech product manager. So this is working very, very well. You can decide to go remote only or not. But for now, we don't have any remote only for fintech. If I click on all categories, we still don't have anyone. Okay. Then all types. So now we have one remote only for the Solidity smart contract developer. Let's try to post a job here now. Say senior ML engineer. Then company, we can just put in Sam's engineering. Location, San Francisco. Now salary range should be 200k. Job type, remote. Then category, this should be it seems to have a machine learning category, a software engineering category. I'll just use EdTech for now. Then description, can decide to post a description here. Say senior ML engineer with 6 years experience. Now is this sponsored listing or not? I just mark it as sponsored listing, then post a job. Your job has been posted successfully. Now let's go to find job. If we see that job there, yeah, as you can see, this is it here. So we have our posting functionality working very well now. Then we can also search. If I come to the search bar here and say senior ML engineer, as you can see now, it posts. These are the 3 jobs we have for this. This one I just posted, and then this other one, which is like a dummy data that came along with it. So there you have it. This niche job board is working very, very perfectly, and we did this with just one prompt. We did not even write a single line of code. It is working perfectly. If we want to expand this, we can decide to make each individual jobs have their own page. So when the user click on it, it comes up and then displays the whole details on the screen. If I click on apply now, that doesn't work either. Let's decide to make the apply button functional. I'll just quickly put that in Lovable. Make the apply button functional. Create a form where users where applicants can fill in their details and upload their CV. Send that into Lovable. Now that has been implemented, let me click on this apply carbon analytics engineer. Oh, what happened? Okay, let me click on it again, apply. Okay, this is it. My apply button is way down below here. See, application submitted. So that's it. That's implementing our application, our apply button functionality. This is all we'll be doing for today. You have a full functional niche board. Here you can type in jobs, you can post jobs, you can apply for jobs, you can search by categories, different type of categories here. You can decide to scale this by implementing a login and a sign-up functionality. You begin to market to industries and companies for them to post jobs while you also attract candidates. That will be all for now. Please like, please subscribe. I'll be doing more AI and automation content. But see you in the next tutorial. Bye.